If the foundations are destroyed, what can the righteous do? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming to subscribe to watch my video. So today's video we are doing ukulima here, tunatengeneza shamba. Ko? So guys, I don't know what is wrong with my phone, but imagine all this trash. Eh, all that trash, I've removed it from here. Hmm, from there. I couldn't show you because my phone was off, but right now I've lit it. So we are digging from here, from over there. We go all the way that way mpaka pale. So today it's farm work. Yeah, so let me take my rake and continue. Sijui mbona hii simu yangu ina hang. Niendelee kufanya kazi. Yeah. Nafaa kulima all these places.
Windows fogged with breath unseen, silent tales she sings between every droplet paints a scene, rain's embrace a gentle sheen, cobblestone and whispers blend, promises the rain can send, notes of solace now transcend. In this rain we find a friend. In the rain where secrets hide, voices the rain can send, notes of solace now transcend. In this rain we find a friend. In the rain where secrets hide,
guys, I hope you can notice this is a raised heap of soil. that we want to plant some carrots, but we'll do it tomorrow. So I'm preparing the land. Yes, so it's supposed to be raised well. I've raised it well, so I'm going to remove these things. These things needs to be out. All this, you see, all this, so that this soil can be fine. And then we make some corn rolls. Zinaitangwa, nimeambiwa zinaitwa row. So to make tu row tudogo, alafu tuweke beads, tuweke seeds, carrot seeds. We water, we put, I'll show you the process tomorrow. So for now, tubaki tu na hiyo. Okay, hope you enjoy. Let me remove these things here. Alafu after removing, hii ni make ikwe fine like this. Ikwe this fine. Yeah, we don't need big soil. Yes.